Hello everyone, welcome back to Sakes Infotech, where we simplify tech for you. Do you want to automate your space cleanup on your PC so that you don't have to manually deleting Teams files and other items you don't need on your PC? Then watch this video to the end, because I'm going to take you through the step-by-step approach to do that. But before we dive into the video, if you are new to my channel, kindly support the channel by smashing on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell notification icon for videos like this. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you. So to automate the space cleanup on your PC, we'll use a feature in Windows 10 and Windows 11 called Storage Sense. Okay, so to do that, you click on Start and then you click on Settings. Then at the left pane, you click on System. Then at the right pane, you scroll down and then you click on Storage. So you scroll down again and then we have Storage Sense. Okay, so beneath it, you see automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. So I'll click on the side arrow to bring the storage sense. So this is the storage sense. So this is where we can do our configuration. So automatic user content cleanup is off. So let me turn it on. And then here we can schedule the cleanup, okay, when we want the cleanup to start. So run storage sense. So I'll leave the default. Run during low free disk space. So it's default. You can change it to every month, every week, every day per what you want. Okay, so delete files in my recycle bin if they have been there for over 30 days is the default. You can change yours to 1 day, never delete 14 days, 60 days per what you want. So I'll leave the 30 days the default. So delete files in my download folder if they haven't been opened for more than, so you can download files and they will be sitting in your download folder for so many months. So you can automatically delete them if you don't use them. Okay, so you can specify the days you want them to move from there. So you can choose 1 day, 14 days, 30 days, 60 days. So mine is 30 days. So when you are done with the schedule, you can run storage sense now. So I'm running it now. So it's going to take effect per your schedule, okay, per what you've selected. Okay, so this is the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly support this channel by smashing on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell notification icon for videos like this. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.